Well, we ran into a huge problem today. We lost the cab. How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. In today's video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and rip that cab off of that frame. So let's hit it. All right, so first and foremost, we set a spot away in the garage for the cab so that once it comes off, we have a spot to get it. So first we gotta take apart we're gonna take the doors off, and then we're gonna take the seat out, the gas tank out, and then we're gonna disconnect the steering and hopefully get this thing in the garage by the end of the day. Let's hope and pray that we could do that. So let's hit it. All right, so we got the doors off, we got the seat out, and that was pretty quick. So far, so good on the whole project wise. Once we get the gas tank out, we're gonna take apart the steering, and then there's 4 bolts holding this bad boy in, and hopefully we'll get it. We already set up a spot in the garage for it to sit. The doors, we're gonna put a spot for them once this is out. So let's do it. All right, so we got the seat, the gas tank, and now the steering wheel and the steering column, or the steering shaft is out. So now it's all about getting the loose ends of the cab apart, then the 4 bolts that hold the cab in, and this baby's coming off. So let's get to work. All right, so we got 1 cab bolt out, we got 3 more to go, and then this thing is ready to come out. Obviously, we gotta clean out all the tools before we pick it up because that's just gonna add more weight. We had to cut the e-brake line, but other than that, this thing is ready to come off and ready to go to its resting home for a little bit in the garage. All right, ladies and gentlemen, all the bolts are removed and it is almost time to take it off. We are waiting on 1 more person because obviously 2 people I don't think is enough. So we got another person on their way to come help us put this thing in its new resting spot here in the garage. We got the space cleared out. It's gonna be sitting here for a little while we take care of the frame, the suspension, and the brakes. And then this thing is gonna start being built. All right, we did find a little bit more rust, but that is what it is. It looks like the underneath the seat is pretty strong, but we're gonna do this and let's get this thing in the garage. Well, we ran into a huge problem today. We lost the cab. Wait a second. That's why we're here. So thankfully we got the cab off, guys. It is off. It is in the garage. It is put away. It took some redneck style mechanics style work, some just muscle, but we got it off. We got it in the garage. So thankfully this job is done for the day. That is gonna wrap up today's video. Just make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Help us out. We're gonna hopefully get to 1,000 soon enough. Hopefully start getting some monetization so we can pump out more videos for you guys to make it better. We got a lot of work coming up to this truck, a lot of good work coming up to this truck, some fun jobs, some jobs you definitely don't wanna miss out. So hit that subscribe, make sure you're notified, hitting that bell, make sure you're ready, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you didn't, or if you did, comment below. Let us know what we're doing right. Let us know what we're doing wrong. See you guys next time. Have a good one.